We'll need a pinch of cumin, 1 jitomate, 1/4 of an onion, 1 garlic clove, 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. You will also be needing a pack of conchas or shells. For my sopita de fideo, I'm going to be using this pot right here. And don't mind this right here. It's because we use our pots a lot, so that's why they look like that. And I'm going to turn my stove to medium-high heat. And I'm going to add my 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. So I just added my 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. That's how much I'm going to be using. You can just eyeball it. That's what I did. I just eyeballed it. So you can see if I tip it over. That's how much oil I'm using. And I'm going to let this get hot. Conchas. I'm going to move it around because this gets hot. And you don't want your conchas to get burned. And you want them to be cooked evenly. So yeah, we're going to let this cook. Mixing this. And you want to stir this occasionally because you do not want this to burn and you want it to cook evenly. So you're going to let your conchas cook evenly. I'll show you how they look when they're done cooking. Okay, now in a blender. In a blender, you're going to add your jitomate, your 1/4 of an onion, your 1 diente de ajo, and then a pinch of cumin. So you're going to add a little bit of water and then you're going to blend it up. So after you're done toasting your fideo, this is how I'm going to be adding my mixture of tomato. So this is what it's going to look like after you're done blending it. It should look like this. And I'm going to add this. And then I'm going to I'm going to fill this up with water, not all the way, like half of the sartén. So I'm going to let this get to simmer, and I added 2, so you can add 2 to 4 cups of water. It just depends on your liking of the sopa. If you like it watery, if you like it dry, it doesn't really matter. There's not really an exact measurement to this. And the last ingredient that I forgot to show y'all is this one right here. It's chicken bouillon or consommé, and I'm using the tomato kind. And so I'm going to add, I'm just going to eyeball this. I don't really use an exact measurement. So I'm going to add like 2 tablespoons and then I'm going to taste it. And you just need to taste it. But add less because you can just taste it and you can add as you go. I'm going to lower my heat down to medium to low heat, and I'm going to cover it. And then you're just going to wait till 10 to 15 minutes. My sopa is done cooking. As you can see, the conchas already floated up. And then I'm just going to serve it up so you can see it. So here's the final product. I added some queso fresco and I paired it up with some tortillas de harina.